Hello guys, in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to install the Porto WordPress theme. First, you have to log into your cPanel. You have to go to WP Content Themes. Now click on the Upload button and upload the theme file porto.zip. You can see the zip file of the theme. Now you have to right-click on it and extract it in the same folder. Now you again have to go to WP Dashboard Themes and you will find the Porto theme there. Now click on Activate and you will be redirected to Porto Theme Installation Wizard. Click on the Let's Go button and activate the theme with your purchase code. This is the System Requirements tab and makes sure that you must have all the fields in green for best performance. You can create the child theme by simply clicking on the Create Child Theme button. These are the required, recommended plugins section and you can install all the plugins from here. This is the demo import section. Done. Porto WordPress is installed. Enjoy it now. Thanks for watching.